Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the spinner control with static item. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here that is a ADT Eclipse bundle that I already opened. And now you have to know first we have to launch our device and that is AVD. So my AVD I already create and start and launch. So in that background that device is now I think appear. So after that complete this progress bar, we can close this window. So yes, that is finish. So yes, that now our device is ready. So sometime taking some process, and now I close this window and we can take in file menu new Android application project. So yes, I select and then here we static date item in spinner. So spinner control and that like in drop down in ASP and here like C# window based that is a combo box and that in Android that known as a spinner control. So spinner and we can use as a static static item in spinner. So next spinner underscore static that is my app's name. And next yes here there is no our workspace folder change is required. So next here icon I cannot change, so next and blank activity that is perfect selected, so no any change. So main activity that is our Java file and activity underscore main that is our XML based layout file. So that apps is blank activity, that apps is uh, some taking process and yes now is created. So let us take a full screen and then I select that hello world and we use that hello world as our label. So here we can I remove this hello world and here we can say that select or choose. So select your favorite. Yes, so favorite programming. Yes, programming language. So that type of message. So that text you work as a or label. So you can see select your favorite programming language. So we can take some yes Android and then we can here that is a text size. Yes, so here we can give like 20 dp, so independent pixel. So that is a let us check. So you can look that is a bigger. So select your favorite programming language. So that is a work as label. And now here that is a spinner. Yes, I drag and drop, but not a link with this text view. Otherwise taking yes now that center of screen. So I uh, means place to our activity. And now what to do? So here we can use as a string array resource. So that is a static item. So that is a value folder and that is our string.xml file is there. So here we can use our string array. Yes, so here that you can look so many. So here string array. Yes, I select and give the name. So name work as ID. So we can give the subject. Yes, and close that and we can take as item. Yes, that is a child tag and in between like I give this first as a C language. So that is our computer programming language and we can take some yes so copy and paste. So that is perfectly. And now what to do? So we can change. So here we can say that that is an end tag. So now that is after we can take like C++ and then we take as DS data structure. So then after Java, yes. And now I again copy and paste. So that is a better. So what to do now? Yes, let us check. So after we can take our ASP.NET, and last is Android. So you can also use like I give last, and that is a, you can say that, Python. So yes, that is so many. You can to your choice. So that is our string array. That is a resources, and now we can bind this list with our spinner. So that is a static item. So which property we have to take? So here Android, yes, colon, and then that we can entry. Yes, that is a property is a entry, and control space bar. So here that you can look array, and then we can take sub, so that is our name automatically appear. So that our design is ready, and we can print in toast class. So now that our graphics only text view, select your favorite programming language, and here our spinner, and we can display in the toast or text view can also display. So now I go in our Java file, that is take some coding. So let us take, so it is the same process. Here we can take as a spinner, that is our reference. So that is a spinner. Yes, I control space bar, so that appear an S. So that is a, we cannot change our spinner control ID. You can look here, that is we can in XML file, that is a by default that spinner one. Yes, that is a default ID. So you can also change, but here I cannot change. And so here I take SP. So that is a perfectly, only one control is there. So we can use and find you by ID. So that is the activity class you have to know, and r dot id dot our spinner one. So we can take ID from r dot java file, and now type casting is required because find view by ID return is a return data type is a view class. So that perfectly. And now what to do? So here we can use, yes, that is a spinner. So spinner sp dot we can say that selected. Yes, so that selected, yes, here we can selected. So that set on, yes, that is a word. And now we can use set on selected item. Yes, set on item. Yes, item selected listener, and nameless object and control space bar. So on item selected listener is appear here semicolon. And now what to do? So we can take as import that class, and again that taking error. So again I can take mouse over unimplement method. So I click. So here there are on item selected and on nothing item selected. There are two. So now I can just take as a toes class. So we can use toes. So that is toes, and we can use. So let us take here. Yes, that is a. So yes, toss dot makeText, yes, and get application context, and here we can print our message. So that is a which message. So here I give T1, yes, that I take here one control. So which here that view, yes, you can use, we can use in V1. So here I take as a text view reference and TV, and TV assign the V1. So, and that type casting is required. So first I import the package, yes, and here again error. So we can add as a type casting. So now perfectly, and now we can print, yes. So only first TV dot get, so get X and two strings. So when we can select in any items for spinner, so that print is the toss. So duration you have to not toss, that is a short or long, and show. So semicolon. So yes, all are well. So I can save, and let us take. So only one line is coding. So that is a we can use in second argument v1. So that is a view class object. So reference. So we can type casting in text view and print get text and two string. So let us I run. So yes, our device is now I think ready. Yes, that perfectly. So yes, I select our apps and run as. Yes, so run an Android application. So yes, I think that perfectly. So our device is ready. Yes, let us take some time. So here that I think going on process. So let us check. Yes, yes, that is here you can look that our logcat window, all process is going on. So I select logcat window. You can look, yes, that process is going on. And now that some take time, and whenever our app, so apk file, so that is installed, so that run that application. So yes, that is coming. Yes, selected your, yes, by default that one item is print. So yes, that open. So here is you can scroll. Yes, yes, now you can. I use mouse. So I select as Android. So yes, that print Android. Now again I open this spinner. So that is a work as a drop down list box in Android. So that is a spinner control. You can look. So yes, Python I can select. So yes, that print. So you can also use as a text view. So perfectly, yes, I think ready. So we can select as Java. So print Java. So yes, I hope you can understand. So yes, I revise. So what to do? So here we can take only one control, and text view is already as a work. Select your favorite programming language, and we can take spinner and then uh, string. So we can string array that resources, and here we can provide that list, and static list we have to provide. So only one property you can set in XML file. So entry, yes, at entry, that is I do done, and at the rate array, and that is sub, that is our array name. So means that is list array, that is ID. So that perfectly. And coding we can use set on item selected listener, and then we can use a second argument by default in on selected item, and nothing selected, so we cannot use this, so only one. So here I convert that is a view class object in text view, and text view get text and two string. So only one line, and there are two line, but that is main is here we can say that yes two, because that is only print in toss, or you can also use a text view. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So subscribe my channel, yes, Ashok Sijal Academy, and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So yes, thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.